Hello there, I'm Saviour Pirotta. I was born in Nashar many, many years ago, but I moved to the UK in my early 20s with a big dream of becoming a writer. My hero when I was a kid was Enid Blyton. I read every single book that she published, and I wanted to be just like her. And I wanted my books to be read by people all around the world. And the center of the publishing industry is in London, so that's where I went to live. And here are some of my books. My books are published primarily in English, and these are some of my latest one. That's called The Hard Scarab, and it's set in ancient Egypt. If you do get this book, don't read it before you go to bed, because it's a bit scary. This was my first ever book, and it's an adventure story set in ancient Greece. It's called Mark of the Cyclops. It's a detective story. This book is set in the Stone Age and is part of a series called Wolfsong. If you look at the bottom of the page, right, you can see a clue what the mysterious island is or which the mysterious island is. The volcano at the top is also very close to the mysterious island. This is the second book in the Wolfsong series. It's called The Whispering Stones, which are the stones in Stonehenge. And the first book of the series is called The Stolen Spear. You can now get it in Maltese, and it's called Il Lanza Imsahra. In English, it's The Stolen Spear. Those are the four main characters in the book. You can get more of my books in Maltese now, published by Club Kodba Maltine, and this is a series of my most famous work of all. It's a series of ancient Greek mysteries. The original book is called The Orchard Book of First Greek Myths, and now we have a whole series with standalone books. You can get this in Italian as well. It's called Ai Piedi dell'Olimpo, and it's published by Einaudi Ragazzi, who are my publishers in Italy. And I hope that gives you an insight into the kind of books that I like writing. And they were also the kind of books that I like reading. I've mentioned Enid Blyton as being my inspiration when I was a kid, but one of the books that really set my imagination alight was a book called Rajal Bilal by José Gallia. And that really set me off into thinking about pirates and going overseas, because if you want to be a writer, you have to be a reader. Reading is fun. It sets you off on adventures that you never thought possible. It's very cheap. You only have to go to the library and you can get a book for free, open the cover, and there you go, you're off on an adventure. But reading also helps you discover the world. Choose books about people who are very different from you, people with different skin tones, people who live in different cultures, people with different faiths, and you will learn how to be kind. You will learn how to understand other people, and while you're doing that, other people are reading books about kids just like you, and they will come to understand you. So, if you want to be a good writer and a better person, open a book. Over and out.